Hi guys, this is a Porsche 997 or 911, same for the 987 also, that has a problem with the airbag light not working. When the system was tested by Porsche with a Porsche diagnostic tester, the system shows no fault at all with the system, but the airbag light does not come on when you first put the key in the ignition. It should display the airbag light for about 3 or 4 seconds or so. We're now able to fix this problem, so we'll get this one fixed and be back in a second. Okay, so we've now repaired this dash, and you can see here when I put the key in, you'll be able to see the light is now working correctly. Every time you put the key into the ignition, you should see the airbag light come on while the vehicle is testing the airbag system. Thanks for watching.